Riri ndereti ya kuongerereka kwa ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa magoti irathie na mbere, ikundi itiganite ikiendekithia mogaruruku matabanio nacio ikundi ingi ikiendekithio na acirithania othe a igoti ritugiru mabutwo wira
is in charge of complaints.
Riu kamiti ya guthingatithia kihoto niyo Commission on Administrative Justice nirekereirie riboti iria ironania ungumania na uhaguku wa mitugo ya acirithania na maabitha igoti na ona thengia ya mateta ma muingi maabitha ya matitacokiirio makinya undu uria wikirite nganja wigiririki wa ruhonge rwa magoti.
As we speak, the complaint remains unaddressed, highlighting the concerns about unlawful official conduct.
Kuringana na riboti ino, kamiti ya CAJ yamukirite makiria mateta 700 kuma kuri muingi megia acirithania kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 mihituku, na hari mateta maya gicunje kia 60% kiamo matiri mathingatwo na thengia ya uritu wa maundu maria acirithania marekuirwo kana mekite. Mateta maya megemaine na ungumania, gucirithirio gwa kurekererio kwa matua ma igoti ni acirithania amwe, utheri moru wa wabici na wagarari wa kihoto macira-ini matiganite.
Some complaints raise serious issues such as fraudulent access to money from the judiciary's deposit account, fraudulent use of deposited security through doctored proceedings, solicitation of bribe, inordinate delay in delivering judgments and delivering air judgments.
Kwa muhiano mucirithanio mwerekanite kuhuthira mbeca cia igoti na njira ya ngungo miaka 6 mihituku na riria tacukirio ikinya guku mucirithanio ngi akihuthira title deed ya igitwo ta security ni mundu cira-ini athikagiriria na akioya ngombo nayo undu uria acokire gucokera macira-ini maingi no wakumakania ni ati no arathie na mbere guthikiriria macira mangi thengia ya ungumania uria arekuirwo ekite.
Despite the seriousness of the allegations, the OJC has not concluded investigations or provided the outcome.
Riu kamiti no ni uritie mucirithania munene Martha Koome arekereria riboti kuri muingi ya mateta maria ruhonge rwa magoti rwa mukirite na haria uthuthuria wa mateta mayo kinyite kwa ihinda ria thiku 21 ciukite.
The judiciary is the citadel of the rule of law and occupies a special place in the Kenyan's governance system. In this regard, while recognizing the independence of the judiciary, the Constitution enjoins the judiciary to be accountable to the public.
Kuringana na muikarigiti wa kamiti ino Charles Duro, uthingatithia kihoto kia muingi ni umwe wa maundu maria kamiti ino igathikirwo ni gatiba ya bururi, na uguo ti uteti irahura uria urathie na mbere wa kwendekithia mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa magoti.
And then when it comes to judiciary delaying judgment for over 4 years, you tell us, oh no, that's not our mandate. No, that is maladministration, and we will call judiciary to account for that. We are not fighting. There's no tough war here. We are simply saying when it comes to two issues, maladministration and access to information, that is our mandate and we shall enforce it.
Kurekererio kwa riboti ino ni igutha inene kuri mucirithania munene Martha Koome uria ukoretwo agiukirwo ni anyiti itemi a guthingatithia kihoto undu umwe na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi, akirikana rungu rwake ungumania na uregenyuku wa mitugo ya acirithania ni wongererekete muno, andu amwe makienda riu eyeherie wabici. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.